Welcome to today's expression. This is an algebraic fraction. And in our numerator, we have a two-term algebraic expression. In the denominator, we have a three-term algebraic expression. One thing that you'll never be told in a simple way is how to factorize the numerator part. Any two-term expression can be simplified mainly by using a method we call the GCD. GCD is the greatest common divisor. How do you use algebraic terms or expression to do that? We have two terms here. We have x squared and xy. These are two terms and we need to get the GCD. What do you do? You write x squared and xy, then you write them in long form, which is x dot x, then xy dot y. The common thing here you can see it is x, so our x goes here, x times, x goes here, y times. Since there is no other common one, x becomes our GCD, which is a common divisor. So you'll say it is x plus y. That is already a factorized expression for our numerator, which is x into x plus y. Next, let us look at the denominator. Denominator has three terms, which means it's an algebraic quadratic expression. Therefore, we shall use factor method, whereby we say the two, we look for two numbers that when you add, you get 2, and that number, when you multiply, you get 1. The coefficient of this one is 1. So the two numbers are 1 and 1. So you write this again in long form, in an expanded form, which is x squared plus xy plus xy plus y squared. Very simple. Then you now again embark on what we call factorization by grouping. You group this into pairs. Looking at this expression is the same as this, and therefore in a simplified manner it's x into x plus y. For this one, there's a change in its form. So you can still again look for its GCD, and the GCD of this, when you look at it, we have y as a common factor. So y goes here x times, and y goes here y times. There's no other common. So you say y into x plus y. Very simple. You are never told about this. Very simple, where you don't get confused. And this is the factorized term about the second term. Now, when you find that the inside bracket are the same, so you shall find that this is the square x, or x plus y, which is the same as x plus y squared. No need to go into that. Let us now combine the two, the numerator and the denominator. That's x into x plus y over x plus y and x plus y, all of them into brackets. This one seems to be the same. You cancel out. So the answer is x over x plus y. This is the answer. You can as well also use quadratic identity. A quadratic identity of x plus y squared is usually x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. If you had a prior knowledge of mastery of the identities, then you will not waste time working out these. But I've shown this for the sake of one who may not be able to remember what has been done, and I reminded you. Welcome again to more.